Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. In the previous topic, we have discussed what is modules and packages by using calendar module. And in the today's topic, we are going to discuss about another one module, which is called date and time. Yeah. So today we are going to discuss about time function and date and time function. That is time module and date and time module and how to work with that. What are all the functions inside the time and date time module. First, we will discuss time module. So we are having some specific functions inside time module. We'll discuss one by one. First, time. That is, it is used to count number of seconds. Number of seconds. For that, we have to import time module first, which we discussed in the calendar module. Import time. Here just I am giving print time dot time off as same as calendar. In the calendar module, we have give calendar dot calendar. Here we give time dot time. So while running this code, we will get the seconds, the overall seconds, which was calculated from 1963. It was the year which the time was generated. So it will start counting the seconds from 1963 to till date, till second. So this is what the time dot time off will do. The next time is get time. That is GM time is nothing but get time. So the same I am importing the time module. Just I'm printing time dot GM time on. So what is GM time? While running this code, we will get some structure. That is, GM time is nothing but it is a computer generated time. Computer generated time, which was understandable by the computer. It is in computer readable format. What is this structure actually? GM time is giving some structure, but we don't know what is it. Actually, the thing is, here we are structuring the time. First, TM underscore year. What is TM underscore year means the current year. It will display the current year. TM month is nothing but it ranges from 1 to 12. So it is fourth month. That is, it's a April month. So it is fourth month. So it is displaying the value as 4. The next thing is day. M day means range. M day ranges from 1 to 31 for the current month. So today the date is 18. So it is printing the date as 18. The next thing is TM hour. Hour is nothing but it will calculate from 0 to 23. Not from 1 to 24. It is calculated from 0 to 23 and will display the current hour. TM minute. TM minute starts from 0 to 59, not from 1 to 60. Actually, the human readable minutes is 60 minutes. That is, it starts from 1 minute and it is stopped at 60 minutes. But in the GM time, it starts from 0 minutes and will get ended 59 minutes. So it will calculate it like that. TM seconds. What is TM seconds means? It is 0 to 61. That is a seconds from 0 to 61. So it will calculate the current seconds. The next thing is TMW day. What is TMW day means? It is a weekday. It starts from 0. That is 0 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 0 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 2 for Wednesday, and 3 for Thursday. Today is a Thursday, so it is displayed as 3. So TMY day. What is TMY day means? It starts from 1 to 366. That is leap year. So it will calculate the overall days. That is, in January we are having 31 days. February we have 29 days and March we have 31 days and again we have completed 18 days in April. So it will calculate all those values and it will display in Y day. What is the is this means? It is a IST format. So it will display as ISDST as 0. So again I'm explaining. TM year is nothing but the current year. TM month is nothing but the current month, which is April. So it is displayed as 4. TM day is a date. TM hour calculates from 0 to 23 and it will calculate the hour like that. TM minute starts from 0 to 59. TM seconds will starts from 0 to 61. W day is nothing but weekday starts from 0, which is 0 is a Monday, and 1 is a Tuesday, 2 is a Wednesday, and 3 is a Thursday. Year day means it will calculate the whole days which we have completed in this year. And the last thing is if it is a IST, then it will display the IST as 0. This is what the GM time. That is computer generated time. The next thing is ASCII time. What is ASCII time? Means it is a human readable time. Human readable time. So everyone does not knows how the structure time has formatted. So to understand for the human, the another one concept is that which is ASCII time. For that, I'm just inputting that by using one variable. I'm just getting GM time. So it will display the GM time. I'm just converting that into ASCII time. Print time dot ASCII time of t. So while running this code, we will get the format as a human readable format. That is Thursday, April 18, along with the time, hours, minutes, seconds, and the year. This is what the ASCII time. We can get the value in the human readable format. The next thing is sleep time. What is sleep time? It is nothing but a delay time. How much delay we have to give the giving the time concept. So for that, I'm doing the same thing. Info time. I'm just printing time dot GM time. After that, I'm giving time dot sleep of 2 seconds. So after that, again I'm printing time dot GM time off. So while running this code, it will give the current the GM time and it will wait for 2 seconds and will display again with the GM time. So I'm commenting all of this from that you can get the better idea in printing. Yeah, just I'm running this code. So it will wait for 2 seconds and it will again print the GM time. This is what the use of sleep time. Sleep time is nothing but the delay time. And the another one thing is C time. That is the current time. C time. It is same as the ASCII time. Current. It will display the current time. If I'm giving input time, just I'm giving print time dot C time off. So while running this code, we will get the current time. Yeah, this is for the current time. So this is the basic functions which are all in the time module. First, we are counting the total number of seconds by using time dot time off. GM time is nothing but it is a computer generated time which was understandable only by the computer. To avoid that, we have introduced another one thing which is a ASCII time. That is a human readable format time. And we have discussed sleep time. It is nothing but the delay time. How much delay we have to give in between the timing concepts. And the last thing is seed time. Seed time is nothing but the current time. These are all the basic operations, which is in time concept. And the next thing we are going to see is the date and time concept. That is, here we have discussed only the time concept, but not with the date and time. And now we are going to discuss both date and time concepts. Date, time, module. Module. Okay. In the datetime module itself, we are having some specific operations. Like first, we have to input the date and time module, as same as the calendar and time module. Here I have to get the current date and time. So I'm creating one variable. There I'm giving datetime dot now. So I'm printing a. Yeah, while running this code, we will get the current year, date, current year, month, date, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. This is the format for date and time module. So from this, we can get some year and month. For getting the year, we can give a dot year of. For getting the month, we can directly give a dot month of. So if we give like this, 2024 is the year and the month is which is April now, so it is printing as 4. Then how we know what are all the functions inside the datetime module? Yeah, we are having some specific functions in datetime module. That is by using strf time. That is string formatted time. So we'll discuss what are all the functions inside this. The first thing is percentage A. So how to implement this strf type and what is percentage A? I will write the code for that. Print A dot strf time of percentage A. So I'm running this code now. So what it will display means it will display the current day, which is today is a Thursday. So it will display the current day in the short form. While running this code, we will get today is the Thursday actually. So it will display it as THU. The next thing is capital A. I'm using the same statement here. Yeah, I'm using capital A. Capital A will display the day in the full format. That is Thursday. The next thing is capital W. Capital W. What is capital W will display means already we have seen the structure type. It will calculate the overall days and it will display the value. The next thing is percentage small d. That is day of month. That is which date today. It is 18th April. So it is displayed as 18. So the next thing is small b. Small b. What a small b will do means it will calculate the month name in the short form. If we give capital B means it will display the month in the full form, that is April. So the next thing is month. For month, we have to give small m and it will calculate 1 to 12. This is the 4th month, so it will display as 04. Yeah, we can get year also by using small y. So while running this code, we will get short form for the that is 2024. It will display the last two values, which is 24. The next thing is capital Y. Capital Y will display the whole year, that is 2024. 2024. The next thing is capital H. Capital H will calculate the overall hour. The next thing is capital P. So capital P will display AM or PM, whether the timing is AM or PM. So it will calculate like that. If I am giving minute, that is capital M, it is for minute. And capital S, it is for seconds. So this is for the basic functions we are using in the date and time concept. That is small a for weekday short form, capital A for weekday full form, capital W for weekday as a number, capital small d for day of month, small b for month name short form, capital B for month name full form, and M for month as a number. Next Y for year as a short form, capital Y for year as a full form, H for calculating the hour, P for calculating whether it is AM or PM, M for minute, and S for seconds. These are all the basic functions that is available in date and time. So I think you guys will get better idea in time module and daytime module. In the next class, we will discuss what are the functions available in Python.